my dear friends. First of all, a wonderful morning to all of you.
Good morning, Rashi.
Myself, Rashi from 11th Competency Sunrise Foundation School, and today I am here for speech on a very wonderful topic, laws of chemical combination. When we combine elements to form a single compound, then this chemical reaction is governed by some certain laws known as laws of chemical combination. There are mainly five laws: laws of conservation of mass, law of constant proportion, Gay-Lussac's law of gaseous volume, Avogadro's law, and law of multiple proportion. So let's discuss about them one by one. First one is law of conservation of mass. It was proposed by Antoine Lavoisier. It states that mass can neither be created and nor be destroyed during any physical or chemical reaction. It can be only transformed from one form to another form in any physical or chemical reaction. Equationally, we can see that total mass of reaction is equal to total mass of products. For example, when we write any equation, we always balance it. What is the need to balance any chemical reaction? We need to balance any chemical reaction to follow the law of conservation of mass. Next one is law of multiple proportion. Law of multiple proportion states that when we combine two elements to form more than one compound, then the masses of one element that combine with the fixed mass of other element are in the ratio of simple whole number. Let us take an example. When we combine hydrogen and oxygen, then it forms water H2O and hydrogen peroxide H2O. In both the cases, hydrogen mass is fixed that combined with the change in mass of oxygen, and the mass of oxygen are in the ratio of 1:2, which is the ratio of simple whole numbers. Next law is law of definite proportion. It states that in a pure chemical compound that contains same element are combined together in a fixed ratio by mass or by weight. For example, in water, hydrogen and oxygen combine in a fixed ratio of 1:8 by mass and 2:1 by water. Next law is Gay-Lussac's law of gaseous volume. When gases combine or are produced during any chemical reaction, then they do so in a simple ratio by volume, but provided that all gases are at same temperature and pressure. It is same as law of definite proportion. For example, in water, we take the example of water in the law of definite proportion, but it was related to mass. But in the Gay-Lussac law of gaseous volume, it is related to volume. Hydrogen and oxygen combine in the ratio of 2:1 to form a molecule of water. Next one is Avogadro's law. It was proposed by Sir Avogadro, which states that volume of all gases is directly proportional to the number of molecules present in it. It means that equal volume of all gases at the same temperature and pressure have equal number of molecules, which is provided that all gases are at same temperature and pressure. So this was all about my topic. Thank you and have a nice day.